It is the end of the year, and so I thought I'd put together a quick video recapping this past year. Here is my 2018 in numbers. This was supposed to be the year that I slowed down and started traveling a bit less. That didn't really happen. This year I've visited 5 different continents: South America, North America, Europe, Africa, and now Asia. This took me across 17 different countries, although only 7 of those were countries that I hadn't been to before. I stayed in 43 different places, including multiple visits to Boston, New York, Berlin, and Kiev. The longest I stayed anywhere was Medellin, Colombia, where I spent 49 days, or exactly 7 weeks. And the shortest I stayed anywhere was 1 night in a number of different places. This year I've stayed in apartments, Airbnbs, hostels, hotels, and even a floating house in the water. I spent an average of $22.59 per night when I paid for accommodations, not including the nights I spent with friends for free. Thanks, guys. I ended up taking 26 different flights this year, traveling a total distance of 38,000 miles, or 61,000 kilometers. That's enough to fly all the way around the equator 1.5 times. And the total I spent on these flights was $1,113.52, plus 74,540 points. I was able to fly for cheap by using my points, flying on budget airlines like Ryanair. I had a conference pay for some of my flights, and my parents paid for a few when we traveled together. Thanks, Mom and Dad. In addition to flying, I took 6 intercity trains and 24 intercity buses, and I even paid for some of those trains with points too. Over the past year, I took 7,195 pictures and videos, and a lot of those pictures and videos were taken on my drone. I flew this guy 121 times this year, flying a total distance of 121 miles, or 194 kilometers. That's about the same distance to fly coast to coast in Ireland. And with all that footage, I've edited 12 videos from this year so far. But I've still got at least 17 more planned, so stay tuned. And here's to another great year.